Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Apna Tutors. So in last video we had completed the introduction part of the chapter 3 matrices. So today we are going to start with the exercise questions of matrices chapter. Today we will do some basic question related to order of matrix. They are so easy. In fact, they are not asked much in exam, but yeah, to build up basics it is needed. So let's start it without wasting much time. So what is first question? In the matrix A given as this, right, the first question is order of the matrix. So how we find the order of the matrix? Order of the matrix is given by, as we did in introduction part, is given by number of rows cross number of columns. So as you can see, in this matrix A, number of rows are 1, 2 and 3 and number of columns are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So order of matrix A is 3 cross 4, right? So we got the order of the matrix. So first question is done. What is next question? The number of elements. So we are having 3 rows and 4 columns. That means in one row we are having total 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So in total matrix, how many elements will be there? As there are 3 rows, so total elements will be 3 into 4, that is 12. So in this way you find the number of elements by multiplying total number of row into total number of column. That is, if order of matrix is m cross n, then number of element in the matrix A will be m into n. You got it, right? Now I had also told the representation of the element of the matrix, right? That if I am writing Aij, that means ith row and jth column element, right? That is, if I want to see Aij, I will first go into ith row. In that ith row, I will find jth column. Then that element is called Aij. This is ith row and this is jth column. Okay, you got it, right? So here we have to find the A13. So first of all, we'll go to first row, then we'll go to third column. That is, this element is the intersection of that two line will be the A13. That is, A13 is 19. Similarly, now we'll find A21. That is second row and first column. That is this element. So A21 is 35. Now A33, third row and third column intersection, that is -5. Now remaining two you find, so that you will be having some practice also. So let's move to next question. Next question is, if a matrix has 24 elements, then what are the possible order it can have? And what if it has 13 element? Okay, so it's saying is, suppose the matrix having 24 elements. What does that mean? I had told you in previous question how we find total number of elements, number of rows multiplied by number of columns. So we need to find the all possible order. Suppose order of the matrix is m cross n and we are given total number of element is 24. What I have told you, if order is m cross n, then, or else we can write it as this ordered pair, as they are we can write it as ordered pair also, or we can write it as m cross n also, but maybe they will prefer this, that is ordered pair. So suppose order of matrix is m comma n, then total number of element will be, total number of element in matrix will be m into n, that is mn, right? And they are saying there are total 24 elements. This means this mn is equals to 24. Then we need to find this m and n, for which mn equals to 24. That is, we need to find the total number of possible orders by which we will be getting number of element in that matrix as 24. So we want that mn should be 24. So let's start with taking m as 1. Then what should be my n? N should be 24. Then its reverse can also be true, that is 24 comma 1. Now next factor of 24 is 2. So 2 into 12 is 24. So 2 comma 12 will be possible order. Also 12 comma 2 will also be possible. Then 3 also divides 24. 8 3s are 24. Then 8 comma 3 is also possible. Then 4 comma 6, 6 comma 4. Then this is question 2. Okay, 6 comma 4. Then is anything remaining? I think we are done, right? All the factors of 24 are done. Yeah. So this many number of possible order are there: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 possible orders are there. Let me check it again whether I am done with everything yet. 1 2 3 4 6 8 and 24 and 12. Yeah, everything is done. 8 possible orders, right? So we are done with first part of question 2. Now what if it has 13 element? Then what are the number possible? That is easy, right? Because 13 is prime number. So 1 comma 13 and only 13 comma 1. That are only the factors of 13. So these are the possible orders. So that means possible orders. So done with second question. Now what is third question saying? If a matrix has 18 element, what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 5 element? Now this question is similar to second question, so you do it. You first find the factors of 18 such that m into n should be 18 and write it in m cross n format. So you will get the all possible orders. This m comma n should be such that mn should be 18. Okay, so this way you will do it here. And they are also asking for what if it has 5 element. Again 5 is prime, so it will have only 2 possibility, 1 comma 5 and 5 comma 1. So you do this as homework. Let me erase this part. Yeah, so you do this as homework. Okay, so let's move to next question. What next question is giving? Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A. I had told you this is the representation of general matrix. That is how matrix looks. It will be having elements A, I, J, right? Where A, I, J is intersection of ith row and jth column. So this is the representation of general matrix A. Now they are saying we have to find A with some given condition. Aij with some given condition on elements. That is, first question is Aij is I plus j whole square upon 2. First of all, let me tell you how A will look. A will be having elements like Aij. So let's start with first row, that is I equals to 1. Then first row, then first column, that is A1 1. Then first row, second column. Then second row, first column, and then second row, second column. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, this is 2 cross 2 order matrix. So in this we are given first question, first condition is given that Aij is I plus j whole square by 2. So what will be A11? We need to find all these elements, okay, by this condition. So by that we will get a required general matrix A. So A11 will be 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. That is 2 square 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then next is A12. So it will be 1 plus 2, 3 square divided by 2. That is 9 3 square is 9 and 9 divided by 2 is 2. 9 by 2. Now next is, let me write it here, A21. It will be again 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 square by 2, that is 9 by 2. And A22 will be 2 plus 2. 4 and 4 square will be 16 and 16 divided by 2 will be 8. So what are general A become? A11 is 2, A12 is 9 by 2, A21 is 9 by 2 and A22 is 8. So this is our required general matrix. So we are done with this is not second, yeah. So we are done with first part of this question. Now let's do next part of this question, that is Aij is I by j. So let's find our matrix. Second is Aij equals to I by j. So A11 will be 1 upon 1, that is 1. A12 will be 1 by 2 because I is 1 and j is 2. So 1 by 2. Now A21 will be I is 2 and j is 1. And A22 will be I is 2 and j is 2. That is 2 by 2 is 1. So we got a required matrix. That is A11 is 1, A12 is 1 by 2, A21 is 2 and A22 is 1. So this is a required general matrix for A with condition given as this, Aij equals to I by j. So next is Aij is I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Will you do this? Will you try doing this? As I had told you, I had did two part of this question. Can you do one part of this question? You do it. If you get any doubt, tell me in the comment section. I will resolve that in next video. But you should try it. Surely I will help you if you are not able to do it. Okay, so let's keep it till this today. In next video, we will do more questions. Till that, keep practicing and please complete the required homework which I had given you, so that you will have some practice. I think in every question I had given you some part as homework. So you do it, you complete it. We'll meet in next video. Till that, keep watching our videos and please support to our channel. Thank you.